Imagine a world where every single word you speak costs money. Hello, 3 cents. How are you? 10 cents. I love you. 12 cents, plus tax. At first, it sounds like a dystopian sci-fi nightmare. But then, it gets interesting. Welcome to Word Bank. In this alternate reality, you open a bank account for your mouth. Each citizen gets a daily word allowance. Basic plan, 500 words per day. Want more? Upgrade to premium chat for 1,000 words. Whispers are free. Shouting costs double. And sarcasm? That's billed as emotional damage. The world adapts fast. People stop talking unless absolutely necessary. Relationships collapse over text limits. Teenagers? Bankrupt by lunch. The silent revolution. It starts with silence. Restaurants go quiet. Meetings last 4 minutes. Customer service reps just sigh. Suddenly, introverts rule the world. They've been training for this their whole lives. Extroverts, on the other hand, cry quietly. Because crying is free. The rise of nonverbal culture. Gestures become currency. Thumbs up replaces thank you. Eye rolls are now full paragraphs. Charades becomes the official Olympic sport. Mimes? Billionaires. Dating gets weird. Flirting is now a slideshow presentation with a laser pointer. Wanna come over? Costs $2.49. The corporate war on words soon. Corporations monetize language. You get 3 free uses of cool per month. Saying Starbucks out loud. That's a licensing fee. Cursing? $5 fine. The black market of words. When words become currency, people do what they always do with money. They cheat. Underground networks appear, whisper dealers at alleyways. Second-hand phrases sold at discount. A shady stick figure leans in. PSST. Got a fresh I'm sorry. Barely used. Encrypted slang spreads fast. Broccoli means love. Laundry means let's talk later. No one knows what anyone's saying. But it's cheaper that way. Soon, the word police show up. Silent raids. Confiscated commas. One guy gets arrested for smuggling 3 full paragraphs. He only served 1 sentence. The children who grew up without small talk. A generation is born into the silence. Children grow up learning word budgeting at school. Class starts with say one nice thing. But only one. They communicate through emojis carved in stone. A raised eyebrow replaces good morning. A shrug means please pass the salt. By age 10, kids speak like philosophers, concise, calculated, cold. I feel things, one student says. Then stares at the wall for 3 days. His parents are proud. This is the future, no small talk. Only big silence. Unless you subscribe to the unfiltered speech pack. People start investing in vowel-efficient slang. LOL is now a blue-chip stock. The philosophical meltdown. Philosophers break down. I think, therefore I am becomes I. Existential crisis equals $19.99 per month. Religions adapt too. Silent prayer surges. Chanting monks go bankrupt. Final thoughts. Eventually, people adjust. Language becomes sacred. Conversations are short, intentional, and beautiful. And one day, a child spends their entire week's allowance to say something simple. Thanks for being my friend. And it's worth every cent. Create the reality of your dreams. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me. If this video resonated with you, I kindly ask that you subscribe to our channel and like the video. Share it so others can benefit from this message, and don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your reflections. Thank you again for watching and joining me. Take care, and see you soon.